Hola, hola, and feliz Cinco de Mayo, mis amigos. I'm so excited to share a fun and festive Cinco de Mayo book with you today. Take a look at what we're going to be reading. Dragons love tacos. Do you love tacos too? Yes or no? I know I do, and I love this book. I'm excited to read with you today, and maybe you'll go enjoy a taco. Send me a picture. I can't wait to see. Do you love them just like the dragons? Or are you going to have a problem with your taco? Because these dragons are about to have a problem. Are you ready to read and find out? Here we go. Dragons Love Tacos by Adam Rubin. Illustrated by Daniel Salmieri. Dragons love tacos. Welcome to the Taco Cave. Hey kid, did you know that dragons love tacos? They love beef tacos and chicken tacos. They really love big, gigantic tacos and tiny little baby tacos as well. Why do dragons love tacos? Maybe it's the smell from the sizzling pan. Or maybe it's the crunch of the crispy tortillas. Maybe it's a secret. Either way, if you want to make friends with dragons, tacos are key. Hey dragon, why do you guys love tacos so much? But wait. As much as dragons love tacos, they hate spicy salsa. Even more. They hate spicy green salsa and spicy red salsa. They hate spicy chunky salsa and spicy smooth salsa. If the salsa is spicy at all, dragons can't stand it. Do you like spicy salsa? Yes or no? Why do dragons hate spicy salsa? Well, just one drop of hot sauce make a dragon's ears smoke. Just one single speck of a hot pepper makes a dragon snort sparks. Spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles. And when dragons get the tummy troubles, oh boy. If you want to make tacos for dragons, keep the toppings mild. Tomatoes? Check. Lettuce? Check. Cheese? Check. These are all good toppings for tacos for dragons. Do you like these toppings on your taco? Hey, dragon, how do you feel about spicy taco toppings? How does he feel? Dragons love parties and pool parties. They like big, gigantic parties with accordions and tiny little parties with charades. But why do dragons love parties? Maybe it's the conversations. Maybe it's all the dancing. Or maybe it's the comforting sound of good friends' laughter. Ha 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 ha. Do you like parties? The only thing that dragons love more than parties or tacos is taco parties. Taco parties are parties with lots and lots of tacos. If you want to have some dragons over for a taco party, you will need buckets of tacos, pant loads of tacos. The best way to judge is to get a boat and fill the boat with tacos. That's about how many tacos dragons need for a party. After all, dragons love tacos. Hey, dragon, are you excited for the big taco party? Do you think he's excited? Just remember, dragons hate spicy salsa. Before you host your taco party with dragons, get rid of all of the spicy salsa. In fact, bury the spicy salsa in the backyard so the dragons can't find it. Look at him go. Adios, spicy salsa. These dragons love your taco party. They love the music, they love the decorations, and they especially love the tacos. Congratulations! It's a good thing you got rid of all of that spicy... Uh-oh, wait a second. What are those little green things in the salsa? You didn't read the fine print? Now with spicy jalapeno peppers. Dragons, listen to me. Don't eat those tacos. Those little green specks in the salsa, those are jalapeno peppers. They're super spicy. Yeah, I know you love tacos, but you are not gonna love those tacos, dragons. Do not let those dragons eat those tacos! Crunch, crunch, crunch. Are they eating the tacos? What's gonna happen when they have spicy salsa? What do you think? Tell me your prediction. They hate it, and they just ate it. Now what's gonna happen? Are you ready? Oh no. Too late. Why would dragons help you rebuild your house? Maybe they're good citizens. Maybe they feel bad for messing it all up. Maybe they're just in it for the taco breaks. Why do they have to rebuild the house? What happened to it? After all, dragons love tacos. Just not the spicy salsa. The end. I hope you enjoyed our book today, Dragons Love Tacos. And if you love tacos too, I hope you get to enjoy a taco today for Cinco de Mayo. If you do, take a picture, make a video, send it to me. Tell me, do you like spicy salsa on your taco? Do you like cheese, tomatoes, lettuce? What do you put on your taco for toppings? I want to know. If you're celebrating Cinco de Mayo with your family and friends, send me a picture or video. Enjoy those tacos, dragons. Adios and happy Cinco de Mayo!